Essar Energy has received the final Pinjam Pakai, that is the forest approval for its Aries coal mine in Indonesia. This is the final approval needed for the commencement of mine development activities. Essar Energy has acquired a 100% interest in the Aries coal mine in April 2010 for $118 million. The mining area comprises approximately of 5,000 hectares located in the West Kotai region of East Kalimantan. The block contains approximately 64 million tons of mineable reserves with an annual potential production of 4 million tons of coal with an average gross calorific value of 5,400 to 5,500 kgs. Coal block contains approximately 64 million tons of mineable reserves. Annual potential production is up to 4 million tons of coal. Average gross calorific value is 5,400 to 5,500 kilograms. Coal supply from the mine expected to begin over the next 9 to 12 months.
Pinjam Pakai is the name given. It is synonymous to, in Indian terms, the forest clearance. In Pinjam Pakai also, like in India, we have two stages of clearance in the forest department. Forest stage 1 clearance, stage 2 clearance. Pinjam Pakai also is got in two stages. Stage 1 clearance Pinjam Pakai, stage 2 clearance Pinjam Pakai. Stage 1 clearance we have obtained about 4 to 5 months back, and recently we have acquired stage 2 clearance also, which is very important in terms of the milestones to be achieved for any coal block with respect to Indonesian coal mine. We are expecting, with the current status of mining activities that is happening there, by Q1 2013 we will be able to take out the coal from our Aries mine. It has got about 70 to 75 million tons of the reserves, which is mineable reserve, and our annual requirement for Salaya is about 3.8 million tons. So we will be able to operate this 1200 megawatt power plant at Salaya for 20 to 25 years with this mine.
The coal is sufficient to provide a dedicated fuel supply to the Salaya 1 1200 megawatt coal-fired power plant located in Gujarat, India. Essar has already begun the construction of supporting road and port infrastructure.